जश्न आज़ादी का मुबारक हो देश वालों, फंदे से मोहब्बत थी हम वतन के मतवालों को। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। ट्रस्ट विद डेस्टिनी, a historical speech delivered by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, to the Indian Constituent Assembly in the Parliament House on the eve of India's independence towards midnight on 14th August 1947. It is considered to be one of the greatest speeches of the 20th century and a landmark oration that captures the essence of triumphant culmination of the Indian independence movement against British colonial rule in India. Now this speech, Tryst with Destiny. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measures, but very substantially. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but very rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, when the soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance. It is befitting that at this solemn moment, we take pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people, and still to the larger cause of humanity. At the dawn of history, India started on her unending quest. Trackless centuries are filled with the striving and grandeur of success and failures. Through good or bad time alike, she has never lost the track of that quest or forgotten the idea that gave her strength. We end today a period of ill fortune, and India discovers herself. The achievement that we celebrate today is but a step, an opportunity of opening towards a greater triumph and achievement that await us. Are we brave enough and wise enough to grasp this opportunity and accept the challenge of future? Freedom and power brings responsibility. This responsibility rests upon this assembly, a sovereign body representing the sovereign people of India. Before the birth of independence, we have endured all labors of pain, and still our heart is heavy with this sorrow, some of which still continue. Nevertheless, the past is over, and it is the future that beckons us. That the future is not of rest or ease, but of incessant striving, so that we can fulfill the pledges we have often made and the one we make today. The service of India means the service of millions who suffer, that will end poverty, ignorance, disease, and inequality of opportunity. The ambition of the greatest man of this century has been to wipe out every tear from every eye that may be beyond us, but as long as there are tears and suffering, so long our work will not be over. We have to labor and work hard so that we can give reality to the dream of India. It is also the dream of the world, for all the people and nation are closely knit together. For any of them to imagine it can live apart. Peace has been said to be indivisible, so is freedom, and so is prosperity, and is disaster in this world that can no longer be split into isolated fragments. We the people whose representative we are, We make appeal to join us with faith and confidence in this adventure. There is no time for petty and destructive criticism, ill will, and blaming others. We have to build noble mansion of free India where all her children may dwell. चूमा था वीरों ने फांसी का फंदा, यूं ही नहीं मिली थी आज़ादी खैरात में. जय हिंद.